Good morning, guys. Stock dummy here. I woke up as early as I could today, right around 10:30, and I jumped on my app to see what my stocks were doing, and it's not good. It's not good at all. I bought Guinness because a friend told me to buy it, and I did. And it immediately started going down. I don't know about you, but when I lose money, I just get real depressed and I want to take a nap. So that's what I'm trying to do. Guinness, it was at $0 like a week ago, and then it's just been shooting up. But I did all the research after I bought it. So just don't just listen to what your friends tell you to do. In this case, it was not good. I lost about 50 pennies. And the reason I like to say things in pennies because it really rings home the amount of money you're losing. And then if you make money, if you make 1,000 pennies, that's huge. So don't be scared to say the word pennies when you're talking about the money you're making or the money you're losing. So just keep that in mind. If you have downloaded the app and you're looking at your stocks, the ways that you kind of do the research on it is click on your free stock that you got. And at the bottom, you're going to see something that says like 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 3 years. And if you push on the actual graph and slide your finger one way or the other, it will tell you what the stock was doing on those dates. I didn't know that. So just keep that in mind. You don't have to, buy it. If you're looking at another stock or you're researching it, go back a year, go back a month, 2 months, 5 months. What you sometimes will see is they'll tell you in the little box underneath the graph the high of the year or the week and the low. Well, it may have only hit its high for 10 seconds and then dropped, but you may think that it was like that for a while. Oh no, I learned that lesson as well. So just keep that in mind. Once you got your free app by going to Robinhood in the description below, just simply mess with the free stock they give you. You can slide your finger on the graph to know what the highs and low are, and just whether or not if it makes sense to buy that at that time. Obviously, you don't typically want to buy something on the high. I personally like to do that before I knew that you can actually find out that that isn't always the case. And you can buy actually lower, just crazy. But again, we'll get into that later on. I did buy Spirit today. That's been a consistent stock. That helped me get out of some of the hole of that weird one that I was told to get and I didn't do my research on. Other than that, I'm a little depressed right now based off that decision I made. So I'm going to take a little nap and then we'll get into maybe some of the other things that I'm doing to try to offset that 50 penny loss that I took. Like and subscribe. And this is Stock Dummy. Bye-bye.